Hey, young citizens, Mr. Moran here, and I am going to introduce to you the Top Hat assignment and what the Top Hat is and how that pertains to social studies. So we're at the Canvas Social Studies webpage here, and you click on modules, and then we're going down to the Top Hat diagram assignment right here. And what the top hat is, it's kind of like the Venn diagram. Maybe some of you have used the Venn diagram. The Venn diagram is when you have those two circles and they kind of interlock with each other, and we use it to compare and contrast two different things. And on the outside of the circles are the things that are attributes that pertain to your two different things you're comparing, and then inside are similar things. But the thing with Venn diagrams I don't like is when you're in the middle there, students tend to run out of space because there's not enough space. But with a top hat, you have all sorts of space. So what you're doing here is you're compare and contrast two types of government system. One government system is the one that you're going to pick for your society. Remember, part of the project-based learning assignment that you're working on is you're creating your new society, and a part of the culture is a government system. And to help you out here, we've listed those government systems you've learned about: direct democracy, representative democracy, monarchy, constitutional monarchy, dictatorship, oligarchy, and theocracy. And you can kind of see what we're talking about here. So you have your government system here, and I want two attributes that represent your government system. And then you're going to have the other government system, and I don't care which one it is, you're going to label at the very top, and you're going to have two attributes for it. And then you're going to have at the very bottom two similarities that both government systems have. Now, you notice there's one of the government systems that we covered that's not on there, and that's anarchy, because anarchy really isn't a government system. Anarchy, political scientists say it's more of a state of being. It's a transition. Usually anarchy is temporary, and it's when a government system is going from one to another. Usually it's going from like some kind of democracy to some kind of oligarchy or dictatorship, because you need strong individuals to rein in, control, and bring things back. And so anarchy is just temporary. So that's not really a government system. So you can't use anarchy for either one of these, okay? So if you start this and you go, oh man, what is a constitutional monarchy again? Or what is a dictatorship again? What's that definition? Well, hey, there's a link here to that reading assignment for the dictatorship and monarchy, and there's a link here for the democracy and oligarchy assignment to kind of refresh your memory. On the next page, you can see the blank top hat, and I know there's 3 dots here. You only need two on each side. Don't forget to label each side, and then the similarities here. And then there's a reflection question. Explain why your system of government might be the best for your society in the space below. Now, when you answer this, I am looking for an answer that is more than because it's good. Well, if you think it's good, give me supportive details why you think it's good. Or, I think it's cool. I think direct democracies are cool. Great. Now tell me why you think they're cool. You've told me what you think of it, but now explain, give me details why you think it's the best, okay? And then if you're really stuck, we've included a kind of template for you, okay, to kind of help you out if you need that. So there's a top hat for you, and then when you get done with that, let's see if we can go back. There is a discussion board that you need to complete. Who has the power discussion board? Now that you are experts in different kinds of governments, you have decided on a type of government for your society. It is time to share the government system you picked with your classmates. To help you out, I've created a sentence frame which you may use for your post. You don't have to use this, but you're welcome to. So the kind of government I've chosen for my society is A, or it could be, and then your answer. The reason I picked this government system is because, and then give us the answer. And then after you've posted your information, please reply to 2 other students' posts. Again, I'm giving you a sentence frame to help you out. Hi, put your name in. I see you picked, and the name of their government system. I agree or disagree with your government system because blah, blah, blah. And please just don't say, I agree with you because I think direct democracies are cool, or I disagree with you because direct democracies are terrible. Please tell them why you think it's terrible or why you think they're cool. Remember, it's okay to disagree with a person, so as long as it's respectful. Please make sure you demonstrate love and kindness to each other. So I'm really looking forward to your ideas. So it's okay to disagree, but don't call people names. Don't say you're stupid. If you're going to disagree about the government. Don't make it personal, okay? Because truly, 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 we need to respect each other and we need to care and love each other. So as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact myself or any of your teachers and they can help you out. See you later, young scholars.